Hello, my name is Taylor Brewster, and I am currently an undergraduate student in the Bachelor of Arts of Organizational Leadership program here at the University of Oklahoma. Besides doing homework and research and just taking care of my classwork, I am also a full-time employee for two cataract surgeons on the south side of Oklahoma City. I spend most of my time doing administrative work, helping patients, that sort of thing. When I'm not working or doing homework, I spend a lot of time at the gym and running and with my dog, with my boyfriend, just kind of doing whatever feels fun. Right now, I don't particularly have any questions or concerns about how the LSTD 4953 class is going to work. My biggest concerns, my biggest questions are focused on what the layout of the class is going to be, how quickly we will need to assemble a full draft, how instructor feedback is going to work. Since I don't know how the coursework is going to be organized, when we're going to be turning what things in, I think I'm just a little bit concerned about how we will be integrating feedback as time goes on, but I'm sure that that will be explained to us. My paper, my prospectus, is about racism and its effect on organizational cultures. I think this is a little bit different than how most of the research out there discusses racism. I'm interested in this topic because I am a young white female, and most of the organizational situations which I have been put in show white males in power settings, and I think that potentially does have an effect on employee diversity. Now granted, that doesn't mean that everyone that I've worked for is racist or that I've been in a situation where I was exposed to racism, but I do think that is a possibility in today's world. So I just want to explore if the social beliefs of leaders does have an effect on work cultures. Beyond that, I believe that with my perspective, some of my greatest strengths right now are the amount of research that I was able to find, the quality of the research that I was able to find, and the range of disciplines that research was in. I really do feel like I have a solid understanding of the historical context of this, but also how it can be applied in a modern setting. In addition to that, I think that I have some very solid notes and really good annotations to fall back on with a class that requires this much of us. There's just a lot to remember, and it's going to be impossible to memorize 30 different resources and everything that's written in them. And so I think that I took a lot of time to make those notes so that I would have them next semester. Additionally, I think that I have done a good job of taking to heart the feedback that I've gotten so far, and I've tried to take what our professor has given to all of us in announcements and so forth, and apply that to my own writing, even if maybe it wasn't necessarily something that was pointed out to me. But beyond that, I don't have any concerns right now. I'm anxious to get the paper started and get it finished and see what happens from there. But thank you for watching. I look forward to working on this further.